Hi everyone, welcome back to Gear and Grips. If you're passionate about bikes and all the gear that makes riding an adventure, you're in the right place. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our exciting reviews and updates. Today, we're diving into the 2025 CCM Foggy FT Spitfire, a bike that's been turning heads in the mountain biking community. We're going to explore its design, features, performance, and price, so you can decide if this beast deserves a spot in your garage. Starting with its design, the CCM Foggy FT Spitfire is a marvel of modern engineering. It sports an aluminum alloy frame that's not only lightweight but also incredibly durable. The sleek matte black finish, accented with bold orange streaks, gives the bike a striking, aggressive look that's perfect for riders who like their gear to make a statement. This bike is built to handle rugged terrains, and its design reflects that purpose beautifully. Performance-wise, this bike is a game-changer. The 2025 CCM Foggy FT Spitfire comes equipped with a top-notch front suspension fork, which makes it a dream to ride on bumpy trails and rocky paths. Whether you're hitting the mountain trails or cruising through forest tracks, this suspension absorbs shocks effortlessly, giving you a smooth and controlled ride every time. One of the standout features of the Spitfire is its 12-speed Shimano drivetrain. This system ensures that you have the flexibility to tackle any terrain with ease. Whether you're climbing steep hills or zipping down a fast descent, the seamless gear transitions make the ride feel almost effortless. The range of gears also means that this bike can handle everything from technical climbs to flat-out sprints. When it comes to braking, the Foggy FT Spitfire doesn't compromise. It's equipped with hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear, providing excellent stopping power in all weather conditions. Whether you're riding through rain, mud, or dry trails, these brakes give you the confidence to push your limits while staying safe. The wheels and tires are equally impressive. The bike features 29-inch wheels paired with rugged, all-terrain tires. This combination gives you excellent grip and stability, even on loose gravel or muddy paths. The larger wheel size also helps you maintain momentum on rough terrain, making it ideal for long, challenging rides. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomic saddle is designed to reduce strain during extended rides, and the handlebar grips offer excellent control and comfort. The adjustable seat height ensures that riders of all sizes can find their perfect fit, making this bike a versatile choice for a wide range of enthusiasts. One of the best things about the CCM Foggy FT Spitfire is how it balances high-end features with affordability. Priced at $1,499, this bike offers exceptional value for its class. It's perfect for riders who want a premium mountain biking experience without breaking the bank. Considering the quality of its components and its performance on the trails, this price point is a steal. Now, let's quickly talk about maintenance tips for a bike like this. Always remember to clean your bike after every ride, especially if you've been through mud or wet trails. Pay extra attention to the chain and gears, as keeping them clean and well lubricated will significantly extend their lifespan. Regularly check your tires for wear and tear, and make sure to keep them inflated to the recommended pressure for optimal performance. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What do you think about the 2025 CCM Foggy FT Spitfire? Have you had a chance to try it out, or is this a bike you're considering adding to your collection? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know your opinions and answer any questions you might have. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who love biking as much as you do. And, of course, make sure to subscribe to Gear and Grips for more in-depth reviews, biking tips, and adventure stories. Thanks for tuning in today. I appreciate your support and love sharing these biking journeys with you. Until next time, keep riding, stay safe, and never stop exploring the great outdoors. See you in the next video.